In this video, we'll show you a simple step-by-step process to completely remove these toxins from your skin using D-Wipe decontamination wipes. After exposure to harmful toxins produced in fire, you must wipe your skin clean as soon as possible. Decontaminating on scene stops these toxins absorbing through your skin and reduces the risk of cross-contamination. Step 1. Face. Take a fresh wipe and start with your face. Thoroughly wipe from top to bottom, starting with your forehead, moving down your cheeks and nose before wiping your chin. Remember to pay attention to the areas hidden of your eyelids and around your nose and nostrils. Step 2. Neck. Thoroughly wipe your neck area. Start at the front of your neck, move around the sides and be sure to wipe the back. Step 3. Ears. Moving onto your ears, start on the inside and work your way outside and wipe around the back. Be sure to concentrate wiping in the creases of your earlobes along the way. Step 4. Head. Contaminants rest in your hair too. Wipe your entire head, starting at the back, moving the wipe over the top to the front. Wipe all over your hair and across from side to side. Step 5. Arms, hands and fingers. Proceed to wipe down your arms, including up to your shoulder beneath your sleeve, right the way down to your wrists. Thoroughly wipe your hands, including both the palm of your hands and the back, before moving on to your fingers. Methodically wipe each individual finger and your thumb. Pay close attention to ensure every fingernail is wiped clean. Step 6. Underarms and body. Contaminants can sneak through your sleeves to rest under your arms, so it's important to also clean that area of your torso. Take a wipe under your shirt and clean your underarms. Wipe around your body and across your abdomen before completing the D-Wipe decontamination process. The entire range of D-Wipe decontamination wipes are made from eco-friendly, 100% biodegradable materials. Please dispose in regular waste. Reduce the risk of occupational cancer in your industry. Visit dwipe.com.